I really want to get out and close it.
Do it now. Do it now.
No,
do it now.
Dude, no, it's sus though because there's a kid in the back seat and it's in the front. She probably would have thought I was trying to rob her. So.
Holy Evo! Sorry, dude. I'll get next to her and then you can just tap it. There.
Okay, get closer.
Here you go, here you go.
Get closer, over.
Here you go, one more.
Oh
go. What the f is going on, everybody? Yeah, so I had to go to the doctors to get the bumps checked out.
Yeah.
So they're gonna get back to me in the next couple days.
But you're good on the bumps or what?
Whose camera is this?
Oh shoot.
Do you see that?
Wait,
it's on.
It is on. Sony.
What the heck? Do you know what day it is?
It's Friday.
This is stupid. This is stupid.
Cheap Finds Friday.
Cheap Finds Friday. You already know what the f is going on.
First things first, we're gonna go into the City Sports. We're gonna try to get some. Your boy just played some soccer yesterday. He hurt his leg pretty bad. And it's just ironic that I'm wearing Jordans because back then, I would never want to crease my Jordans. So I got like the high school.
Let me see.
I got like the high school first pair of Jordans.
All right, first stop is gonna be Marshall's, man. I don't know if we're gonna find anything.
We are gonna find something.
Okay, don't lie to me though.
And if we don't find anything, at least I'm going home with you.
Nice. They're selling SINTB merch here. Me with the guitar?
I get it.
Not gonna lie though, the steals and deals are apparent at the store. $39.99 original retail price. 80 doll hairs for that premium designer True Religion Sacramento starter pack.
Anybody Polo fans?
Oh wow, that's actually pretty nice.
Retail.
$125?
But here at Marshall's, $49.99.
Wow. What is that?
They stole it. Dude, I bet you if you go up there and you buy this, they're not gonna say anything about the item not being.
Should I do it? How much is it?
No.
What are you doing?
Decisions were made. Like, at least take it back to the racks, dude. Every cholo in high school had this.
It just smelled like cigarettes or Swishers.
It smelled like Swishers and one pencil and one binder. We found another one.
That's what it's supposed to look like? It's a headband?
Yeah. Yo, honestly, they got tons of flannels for days. Like, you can't go wrong. This flannel, $12.99. Got some colors. Fall season is coming up. More flannels, $16.99. A lot of flannels and stuff under $20. More flannel. Oh, this one's dope. Nice little color. We got, holy. What size is this?
6X.
Looks a little tight on you, dude.
Dude.
No, just. You think we both fit in there?
Probably, dude. Come on.
Okay.
Wrong arm. Wrong arm.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but if you wore this in middle school, you probably had silver teeth. You were one of those, huh? No shade though, no shade. Oh, it's pre-loved. Nice.
Look at this. Everywhere you go. So at first I started seeing this on like social media that people are stealing the head of LeBron James from this exact toy. I don't know, I think it was just like a meme at first. Everyone was doing it. Literally, there's 3 right here.
Weren't they reselling them on eBay or something?
Oh, the heads, yeah. Someone was selling the head.
It's just a nub.
It's so funny. So now every time that I see one, I just post it. Just be like, we meet again.
Whoever made this toy is probably so pissed. Should we get a stick? Dude, at first, this didn't look like anything, but then David pointed it out. Look at that. It's R32 with a truck, ad van, and there's 2 of them. Yo, this might be a good find, actually. Wow, good job, David.
Not like anyone else cares, but it's a Mario.
Rocket?
Bullet. I have all these other ones that I found at Marshall's, but I was just missing this one, so.
Oh, only
now
$3?
Now it's complete. Cool.
Dang, and we got these 2. Should we check how much they go for?
Let's do it.
23, 23, 18, 18.
I mean, I think it's still cool.
23 bucks?
You might not make hella money from it, but
You can at
it's
least
still,
double it.
It's still a dope find, and it's probably out of stock, and it's probably hard to find.
All
Like,
right.
these aren't in like regular stores, you know?
This might be the first cop of the day.
Might be the only cop.
If you guys are on TikTok a lot, you've probably seen these. They're the most anticlimactic.
This is my first time doing
First time.
it. Are you ready? We're gonna do this together. Whoa. How much is it?
Dude, are you serious? This is... Dude, shut up. This thing is trash.
It's just
It doesn't even
for
like
kids
feel
who are
good.
fidgety.
It doesn't even feel good though.
It's just satisfying.
It's not.
Look, Don't you want to pop all of them out?
No.
I do.
Oh God.
This is kind of cool.
No, dude, stop.
All right, guys. Hypebeast Arrest 4. I thought you were recording me.
I low-key was recording you.
Recording me walk, dude.
They decked this whole thing out. Look at this. Spooky.
Oh, I gotta get a picture.
Holy. $400? Hell no. Bro, I've been wanting an original Xbox. I mentioned it last time, and it's actually at this one. $40? How do you know if it turns on though?
You don't, dude. It probably has the red ring
dude.
too. Oh no, this one didn't have the ring, huh?
And they could plug it in. That might be a low-key cop.
Yeah?
Maybe. I don't know. Oh, they got all those sports cards.
Oh, they have
right
an
there.
escort.
They have an escort?
Not the type of escort that I'm used to, but...
Wait, where?
What is that?
Oh, escort? I don't know. That Xbox is risky, man. It is a throwback. I don't even have a TV to play it with. I'm gonna chill off of it. That's a cool find though. Bro found the vintage Nikes. I don't know what model this is, but you could tell they're super old just because they're crumbling. Look at the soles. Look at the soles. $10.
That's kind of cool. You don't really see this.
That's a cool find, man.
Air resistance.
Air resistance? What does the tag say? It doesn't.
Property of Phil Knight. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do it because that's mean. But
what do you mean it's mean? The shoe's already dying, bro. That's crazy. Air resistance. Vintage Nikes. Found at Goodwill. Bro, that is creepy. How come? Why are these a thing?
dude, this looks really old though.
It does. It looks disgusting. 1650 back in the day. Damn, you got downgraded to 10, girl. How does that make you feel? Bro, she's gonna pop up in my sleep. Oh shit. Pull this one out. It's Cinderella. Oh hell no, dude. Her eyes open.
Play with me.
Dude, wait. Let me tilt her. Oh shit.
Is there a head? Yes or no?
Oh shit. Did you look already?
No, I didn't look.
Okay. Is there a head?
I'm telling you, dude. We don't make this stuff up.
Why is that here? It's... Bro. Okay, look at this. Okay. Tilt it.
Oh.
Look at these ones. They're like, play with me. Dude, and there's another one staring over there. So who cleared out their doll collection? Hell no, bro.
I'm falling asleep.
That's creepy, bro.
I can't see my reflection.
How did we pass the rat? The mouse? The grandma mouse? Do you see this? The grandma mouse. Oh, they got a bunch of blickies.
Everybody get the
Oh, dude, what if it was loaded? Gun safety. Oh, man. Let's see if it works. Shoot him. Oh, shit.
That was fast. Gun safety.
Gun safety.
Hold the gun down because you never... Oh!
Yo, shout out to the OGs. If you guys know this game right here, you already know what's poppin'. If you don't, you're probably too young to be watching these videos.
Log out right now.
Log off right now. Ross Dress for Less. We used to come to this place all the time. It's been a minute since I've hit this one up. I don't know about you, David.
It's been a minute.
All right, so we don't know if we're gonna find anything. We're literally just hitting stores on the way to where we're gonna go, so let's see if we find anything.
Hope you guys are enjoying this ride, you know?
I know all of you have your grandma that has at least one of these. When you go to open it, it just has sewing stuff.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Last time we found some tech fleece was years ago,
It's
dude.
been a minute. Slim fit taper, retail $110 and
$30.
30.
That's cheaper than like the employee store.
Let me see. Okay. This is a different kind of tech fleece though. Maybe,
Yeah.
Oh wait. Maybe this is the newer tech fleece. I don't know. Guys, comment. Do you guys know? I just don't remember seeing these little dots on there, but...
Me too. From 110 to 30 bucks, dude.
Whew.
That's a good feeling.
What size?
XL.
Dang, are you
But it
copping?
says XL tall.
Oh, yep.
That's not my size.
Oh, yep. Maybe that's why it's here.
Yeah.
Yeah, your boy found some Heelys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Those were the best shoes to wear back in the day. Okay, that Ross was dry. So we are stopping another detour, Didi's Discounts.
If you thought Ross was dry, wait for this.
This might be kind of dry. But if you guys enjoy the video so far, let us know in the comment section down below. What do you like about it? Do you like David?
You like me?
You guys miss David. You guys don't even care about me at this point. You miss David. That's why you watch.
They're here watching me on your channel because I'm not uploading on my channel.
Right. Somebody told me to tell you to upload, but why do that when you're on this channel, you know?
Exactly, man.
David, what time is it?
I actually don't know how it's all time. What time is it?
It's Gotham time. We just got in here, we better get kicked out.
These are dope, dude. You know what time it is?
What time is it? It's Gotham slipper time. Ooh, the Puma Chicago ones. Dude.
You like it?
You look like you're from SAC.
I'm just missing the True Religions.
Yeah, for real.
I already got the walk down.
There might be more, honestly.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Bruv. He's gonna fall. Left. Yeah.
Some of them have the tag, some of them don't.
Alright, David's gonna go on eBay. Peep it. Another one, dude. Look at how old this one is. You can see the oxidation in the plastic. David says from 2000. Oh yeah, 2000. McDonald's Corp. Hella Beanie Babies. Wow. There's also another one back here. Oh, Osito the bear.
Chinese New Year little duck.
Yo, $3. Kind of cool.
Let me look that one.
It's a Mexican bear.
Dude.
1999 bear. Dude, this bear is almost as old as us. Sheesh. All right, so David found a listing that's 3,000. Same bear, bro.
But there's also
another one.
that's $5.
Look at the back.
Same thing.
Is the back the same?
Yeah.
It's so weird. Well, what makes the other one 3,000?
Oh no.
Hey, we got our title. Yeah, probably, I don't know, it might be worth
There's
something.
3 of them.
Who knows, man? And all these other Beanie Babies.
And Tigers.
Dude, I feel like, why would all these other ones be here if it wasn't a collectible, you know? It seems like the person knew what they were doing. We decided to give the homies over at the Fix Kicks a little visit, and I found these. I've been looking for them. Size 10, undefeated, dunk lows, canteens. These are sick. They've been growing on me.
So on that one, we would pay.
About to cop these. All right, your boy's about to play the Keymaster. It's been a minute. I'm gonna go for the bottom row. Every single time that I came, pretty much the bottom row has been ready. So let's see if it's ready. I'm only gonna put in like $2, $3.
We should play this one.
What are you gonna go for, bottom row?
The top row looks ready. Wait, you didn't kiss it.
Here you go. Sorry, it's been so long. I almost forgot, dude. All right, one more. A little bit of lag right there. Let's see if this one makes it ready.
I'm gonna use your head as a tripod.
Okay. Nope, not ready.
Why did you do it again? You just said it wasn't ready.
Because I wanted to see if that was gonna kick it off.
Look at this POV.
You never know. This could be the one that sets it off, man. I don't like how you're using my head as a tripod. Nope.
$3 down.
That's it. There goes my lunch money for the day. Nope, it lagged a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am sorry to announce that today, right here, right now, we have to end Cheap Finds Friday.
No!
I'm sorry.
Love Cheap Finds Friday. I don't want it to end.
Cheap Finds Friday coming soon next week. Drop those comments down below. Let us know what you think about our pickups. David got
Kicks.
the bullet.
Oh, yeah.
You got the bullet?
I thought you said David got kicks.
Yeah, David got bullets.
I wish I got more, but I didn't. Next time.
I got the GTRs. What else I get? The dunks. Do those count?
Yes.
And then what else? Is that it? Don't forget to check out his website, Hypebeast. I almost said shop. Hypebeastrus.com for croc charms.
And don't forget to check out Alex's website, shopsoultopia.com.
We have
Swipe up.
Yes, we have a bunch of sneakers on there
Ton of sneakers
for sale.
for sale.
Link in the description.
Link in the description.
See you guys later.
Bye. That was great.
That was whack, dude.
Oh.
Can you at least can you just pretend to like being in the videos? I know I'm paying you to be here,
No,
but
you're not. The last 3 payments, they didn't go through.
they bounced?
They bounced.
Oh, shh. Wait,
You're not recording.
I don't think I'm recording.
Oh. No, you're not.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.